In this video, we'll discuss what we mean by serverless computing. Let's begin. So as a software developer, you want to spend time doing what matters, building your application. You don't want to spend your time executing tedious, time-consuming tasks like installing an operating system or downloading system updates. The goal of serverless computing is to help you with this by taking care of those tiresome types of server management tasks so that you can focus your effort on getting your application to your customers. So that said, serverless computing is a bit of a misleading name because there are, in fact, servers being used. But what it really means is that the responsibility of managing servers is already handled for you. So in other words, it's an abstraction of servers so that you can take your mind off of infrastructure concerns and focus them on developer concerns. There are three big benefits of using serverless approach. First, there's no infrastructure management. So that's the first big one. And as a business, this means that you don't have to focus on administrative tasks like installing an operating system. Instead, you simply deploy your code and it automatically runs with high availability. The second benefit is scalability. And as your application grows in popularity, you can rest assured that no matter what, your application will continue working under any workload. In fact, serverless compute can scale from nothing to tens of thousands of requests without any configuration. Finally, the third benefit we want to point out is that you only pay for what you use. You see, serverless computing is event-driven, and that means that resources are only allocated from a direct action. So you are only charged for time it takes to run your code instead of paying for the resources if they're not being used. And when all is said and done, time is money in the business world. And as such, you want to be focusing your time on what matters. Using Azure to support serverless computing through products like Azure Functions, your main job will simply be to upload your code, and you'll automatically get the benefits of infrastructure management and scalability, plus a payment model that will only charge you for what you use.